Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 8 October 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And one thing, those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, let's proceed towards today's session. As per this is our previous day questions. Our first question was, who has launched a mini app store to support Indian developers? Flipkart, Paytm, Amazon, Reliance. Can you guess the answer here? The correct answer here is option B, Paytm. Paytm has launched a mini app store to support Indian developers. Okay, Paytm is in news. The CEO of Paytm is Vijay Shekhar Sharma and headquarters is situated in Noida, UP. The headquarters of the Paytm is situated in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Our second question was, in which month World Space Week is observed? October, November, August, or option D, April? The correct answer here is October. Option A is correct here. In October, World Space Week is observed. Okay, from October 4 to October 10 every year for celebrate of the science and technology and their contribution. Okay, and theme of 2020 is satellites improve life. Satellites improve life is the theme of 2020. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when World Cotton Day is observed? When World Cotton Day is observed? 5 October, 6 October, 7th October, option D, 8 October. The correct answer here is 7th October. Option C is correct here. The day was inaugurated by, remember, the day was inaugurated by World Trade Organization in Geneva on October 7 in 2019. Since 2019, this day is observed and it is inaugurated by World Trade Organization, WTO. The headquarters of the WTO is situated in Geneva, Switzerland. Headquarters is situated of WTO. It is founded in 1st January 1995 and the WTO director is Roberto Azevedo. Remember, Roberto Azevedo is the director of World Trade Organization. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Who has appointed as new chairman of State Bank of India? Dinesh Kumar Kara, Rajneesh Kumar, Amitabh Kant, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Dinesh Kumar Kara. Option A is correct here. Dinesh Kumar Kara is appointed by Government of India as new chairman of State Bank of India recently now. Okay, for the period of, remember, the tenure of this Dinesh Kumar Kara is 3 years. For 3 years. Okay, he succeed Rajneesh Kumar. Previously, Rajneesh Kumar is the chairman of SBI. Recently, his tenure is complete, and Dinesh Kumar Kara is the new chairman of State Bank of India. You can see the image of Dinesh Kumar Kara here. Headquarters of the SBI is situated in Mumbai. It is founded in 1st July 1955. Remember, in 1955, SBI is established. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Where is the Quad countries foreign minister meeting held? Brazil, Tokyo, Delhi, option D, Beijing. The correct answer here is in Japan's capital, Tokyo. In Tokyo, the Quad countries foreign minister meeting held. Okay, for the Quad countries, the Quad countries are USA, Japan, India, and Australia. Okay, you can see the foreign minister of the Quad countries. Okay, next question. Question number 4. Who has been appointed as new Director General of BCAS? BCAS. M.A. Ganapati, Rakesh Asthana, Sanjay Kundu, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is M.A. Ganapati. Option A is correct. You can see the image of M.A. Ganapati here. M.A. Ganapati has been appointed as the Director General of BCAS. Abbreviation of BCAS is Bureau of Civil Aviation Securities. Bureau of Civil Aviation Securities. He is a 1986 batch IPS officer. 1986 batch IPS officer is M.A. Ganapati. Okay. Next question. Where is the Indian Coast Guard 7th offshore patrol vessel Vigraha launched. The name of the vessel is Vigraha. Okay, you can see the image here. Kolkata port, Kattupalli port, Visakhapatnam port. Option D, none of these. Correct answer here is Kattupalli port. Kattupalli port of Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Okay. The seventh offshore patrol vessel of the Indian Coast Guard (ICG) Vigraha was formally unveiled at the Kattupalli port, Chennai. Kattupalli port, it is in Chennai. Okay. Question number 6. India and which country built a Situi port to be operational in 2021? Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Japan. Option D, Australia. Correct answer here is option A, Myanmar. India and Myanmar are working towards the operational of the Situi port in the Rakhine state of Myanmar. Remember, in Myanmar it is in Rakhine state of Myanmar. It is going to be built. It is developed now. Okay, and the capital of Myanmar is Naypyidaw. Currency is Burmese kyat. Burmese kyat is the currency of Myanmar, and Win Myint is the president. Win Myint is the president of Myanmar. Okay. Next question. Nobel Prize in Chemistry is awarded to whom in 2020? Okay. In 2020 it is option A, Emmanuel Charpentier, Jennifer A. Doudna. Option C, both A and B. Option D, Kristalina Georgia. The correct answer here is both A and B. Okay. Recently, the 2020 Nobel Prize in Chemistry is awarded to Emmanuel Charpentier and Jennifer A. Doudna for the development of a method for genome editing. For the method of genome editing, the Nobel Prize in the Chemistry is awarded in Stockholm, Sweden, and it is awarded by the Royal Swedish Academy of Science. The Royal Swedish Academy of Science. Okay, you can see the image of both the Emmanuel Charpentier and Jennifer A. Doudna here. Okay. Next question. Vishal Anand passed away. He was related to which field? Film, politics, journalism. Option D, none of these. Answer here is option A, film. The veteran Bollywood actor Vishal Anand has passed away. He became to fame with 1976 super hit song and film Chalte Chalte. He is famous film, and the song, the film name is Chalte Chalte. Okay, you can see the image of Vishal Anand here. Okay, next question. Which bank offers debit card for customer availing LAS? ICICI Bank, SDFC, SBI. Option D, Indian Bank. The correct answer here is ICICI Bank. Option A is correct. Here recently, ICICI Bank has launched a debit card facilities for the customer availing the loan against securities. The abbreviation of LAS is loan against securities. Okay, from the bank recently, and the headquarters of the ICICI Bank is situated in Mumbai, and the MD and CEO of ICICI Bank is Sandeep Bakshi. Sandeep Bakshi is the MD and CEO of ICICI Bank. Okay. Question number 10. Cricketer Najib Tarakai passed away. He belongs to which country? Sri Lanka, Afghanistan, Pakistan. Option D, Australia. The correct answer here is Afghanistan. Option B is correct here. The Afghanistan's right-handed batsman Najib Tarakai recently passed away in a road accident. He played about 12 T20s international for the Afghanistan after his debut in 2014. His debut match in 2014. You can see the image of the Najib Tarakai, a famous cricketer of Afghanistan. Okay. As per this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Our first question is, famous chilies Dale Kursani got the GI tag of which state? Our second question is, who has launched a campaign Youth Pradushan Ke Virudh? youth प्रदूषण के विरोध. Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. It is very much helpful for you. Okay, if you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thereby many students got help. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. And one thing, those who first visit Educational Link, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thereby you can get the notification very fast. Thank you. Have a great day.